Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn chemistry question answer. To begin, focus on building a strong foundation in the basic principles. Understand the why behind each concept, not just the what. This initial step is crucial for tackling more complex problems later on. Don't rush through the fundamentals, they are your building blocks for success. To truly grasp chemistry, actively engage with the material. Break down large topics into manageable chunks, perhaps focusing on one or two concepts at a time. Utilize diagrams and models to visualize abstract ideas, making them more concrete. Always try to link new information to what you already know, strengthening your overall understanding. Consistent practice is key to mastering chemistry questions. Start by carefully working through example problems, understanding each step. Then, challenge yourself with a variety of question types, from multiple choice to open-ended. A great technique is to explain the solution process aloud or in writing, solidifying your comprehension and identifying any gaps. After attempting questions, a thorough review is essential for improvement. Don't just look at the correct answer, analyze why your answer was wrong. Revisit the specific theories or formulas related to your mistakes. If a concept remains unclear, don't hesitate to seek clarification from resources or instructors. This iterative process builds lasting knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.